We're pleased you've chosen AT&T for your new IP broadband service. This is the first of 3 short videos that AT&T has created to help you understand the installation process of your new service and the actions you need to take to prepare for the installation. Following the instructions provided in these videos can help to shorten the time it takes to get your IP broadband service installed, ensure a smooth installation, and reduce billing confusion. First, know that you can contact AT&T with any questions as we proceed toward the installation. You will have received a confirmation email that provides your order number and billing account number or BAN, as well as the 4-digit passcode you gave your AT&T representative when you purchased the service. Please have those numbers ready for the AT&T associate if you call us for any reason. It will help us to quickly answer your questions. There are 3 major steps in the installation process: pre-installation, day of installation, and post-installation. Let's talk about what happens prior to the installation. 2 to 3 days before your installation, an AT&T field technician or other representative will contact you to confirm your installation date and time. They will discuss any nuances or special instructions your location has. For example, use the middle elevator or obtain a key from the main office. The AT&T representative will also be able to help you get answers to any questions that may have come to mind after your initial purchase. Be aware that your installation will go much smoother if you have completed the pre-registration process. You may have done this when you originally purchased the service. If not, please go to this website. Our next 2 videos will walk you through the important installation day and post-installation information you will need to know. Please watch these to ensure you have the best possible experience as your new AT&T service is turned up. And again, don't hesitate to reach out to the AT&T team with any questions you may have. Your complete satisfaction is what we want above all else. We value your business and thank you for it.